Hi everybody, this is Asus TUF Gaming AX4200 Wi-Fi router, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Wi-Fi network using this guy. I will use Asus router application, and also I will show you how to do the same thing in web interface on your computer. Let's get into it right now. First, let's talk about physical connections and let's take a look at the back panel of your router. You have 5 Ethernet ports over here, and this blue one, which is staying separately from others, is the input. It's used to connect your router to your main internet source, so whatever it is. So if you use a modem as your main internet source, you need to grab an Ethernet cable, plug into this port on your router, and the other end plug into an output on your modem, into a LAN output, and it's look like this. Just imagine this is my modem. Next, let's take a look at other Ethernet ports. They are absolutely equal, and you can connect computers, access points, range extenders, or other routers that supports Asus AI mesh system and make them work together, except these 2 ports. These 2 ports support LAN aggregation. It means you can double your speed by plugging in 2 cables over here and 2 cables to another device, another access point or Asus router that supports LAN aggregation. So each of these ports is 1 gigabit port, and you can use 2 ports to double your speed to 2 gigabit per second, like this. Next, to set up your router pretty much to power it on, so take the adapter from the router's box, plug into a power socket, then plug in the other end to a power outlet and press the power button, and that's it. And what you need now, you need to wait until these 2 Wi-Fi indicators start glowing solid white. It means the router is broadcasting Wi-Fi and ready to set up. So when your router's front panel starts looking like this, open Asus router application on your smartphone. You can install it from App Store or Google Play Store. For Android devices it is available everywhere. So open the app. On the first screen, scroll all the way down, check this checkbox and agree to the terms and conditions. Also agree on the next screen. Very important, critical, allow to find devices on local network. Allow this. And also allow to use location while using app. Now just tap on set up a new network and select Asus Wi-Fi routers. You have 2 options: manual Wi-Fi connection or easier enable camera and scan. Let's enable camera, allow access, and what you need to scan is the QR code on the bottom of your router. Here it is. So scan this code and join to the router's network. If something went wrong, you can manually connect the router smartphone to your router from your Wi-Fi settings. Just open settings, find this Asus network. You can also find this network name on the product label over here. And the first connection is without password, so just connect to Asus setup network and continue in application. It's searching for your Asus router now. It may take up to 1 minute, but usually it's faster. So let's get started. You don't need advanced settings for now. We can take a look at that. This is your connection type, or also you can set up this one as USB modem. But let's set up just a normal router. I think that's what you wanted. That's why you're watching this video. So let's get started. So if you see this pop up, your network type cannot be properly detected, please manually specify your WAN type. In the most cases, your WAN type is DHCP. If that didn't work, just call your internet provider and ask which settings, which type do you need to select. So select DHCP. And also, if you have special requirement from your internet provider, you should ask about this, and in this case check this checkbox and select the requirement from here. In other case, just tap on next and set up your network. So create your network name and password. For this example, I'm using simple password, but for your security, I recommend you to use a stronger one. So hit done. Also, you can separate 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, but I can't even give you example for what reason do you need it. So I recommend you to not separate bands, because in this case your devices will just select the proper network automatically and connect at the highest possible speed. So just do like this, hit next. And this is warning about weak password. Let's ignore this for this example. And now you need to set up your local login account. It means administrator passwords, which is used to manage your router from web interface or from another smartphone. So enter username. I will use simply admin. And also I will use simple password for this example. Done. Now compare passwords in two fields. If they are matching, just hit next, and it's setting up your network. Well, it's taken about 2 minutes to set up the network. Now Asus router application wants to join your new Wi-Fi network. Allow this. Just tap on join. And now it's optimizing the network, whatever it means. You have to just be patient and wait. It may take up to 2 minutes as well. So here is your summary: Wi-Fi network name and password, username and password for administrator. So just screenshot or write down these credentials if you need. Don't lose this password, because this is very important. If you will lose this password, you will not be able to change Wi-Fi password, will not be able to log in from another smartphone to your router, and so on. So write down this password, tap on finish, and actually you can cancel notifications from this application. This is not necessary. And if you want to create Asus account and enable remote connection to manage your router when you outside of your home, you can do this right now. Don't allow notifications, or just skip this step. I'm skipping because actually we are all set and this is our goal. This is your application. If you swipe left and right in this circle, you can see different details about your network: connected clients, real-time traffic, network name. If you tap in this circle, you can change your password, rename your network, separate 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands, and so on. Also, if you tap on settings, you can see a lot of settings over here. So browse it, explore, read about it. And one more thing to show you is this home icon. This is your network configuration. As you can see, now you have just only one router connected to your internet source. And if you connect more routers using wireless or wired backhaul, they will appear here as like ramifications, and you will see your network configuration. You can tap on any router and see details about it. Now let's assume our router is not set up and you prefer an old school method to connect the router via web interface on your computer. To do this, you need to connect your computer to Asus setup network, and then just open any web browser and type in asusrouter.com. and it takes you to the web interface. The dialog in this interface is about the same, so I won't walk you through the process one more time. Spatial requirements, passwords, and so on. I will just do everything without screencasting and show you web interface settings. So once the network is set up, make sure you're connected to this network you've just created, and now you can use address asusrouter.com to enter router's settings, or also you can use the default IP address of your router. For Asus router, default address looks like this, so enter this value in your web browser and it takes you to a login page. Enter your administrator username and password you've just created, click on sign in, and it takes you to settings. Actually, web interface gives you a bit of more control than application. For example, in web interface you can clear system log or enable some gaming boost settings that you can't enable in the application. So if you can find some features of your router in application, just visit this page, and everything you have in your router is right here. And if you want to add router setup on a computer to the smartphone application, just tap on manage on this screen, but make sure your smartphone is connected to your router. So tap on manage, it's connected, and now just enter your administrator username and password. Sign in. And that's it, you are in the application now. Cancel notifications. So that's pretty it for today, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye, guys.